In this video, we will understand the difference between process validation and product validation. Process validation and product validation are two distinct concepts within the pharmaceutical industry. Let's explore the key differences between the two. Definition. Process validation refers to the documented evidence that a manufacturing process consistently produces a product, meeting predetermined specifications and quality attributes. Product validation, on the other hand, focuses on evaluating and verifying the characteristics, performance, and safety of the final pharmaceutical product. Scope. Process validation encompasses the entire manufacturing process, including equipment, facilities, personnel, and procedures. It ensures that the process is reliable, reproducible, and capable of consistently producing high-quality products. Product validation specifically assesses the final pharmaceutical product, including its composition, formulation, packaging, labeling, stability, and efficacy. It verifies that the product meets the intended requirements and performs as expected. Objectives. The main objective of process validation is to establish and maintain control over the manufacturing process, ensuring that it consistently produces products that meet quality standards. It focuses on process optimization, risk reduction, and continuous improvement. Product validation aims to confirm that the final pharmaceutical product meets its intended use, safety, and efficacy requirements. It involves testing and analyzing the product to ensure its quality, performance, and compliance with regulatory standards. Timing. Process validation is typically conducted during the early stages of product development and continues throughout the life cycle of the product. It involves qualification of equipment, process optimization, and ongoing monitoring to ensure consistent performance. Product validation takes place after the manufacturing process is established and the final product is produced. It includes testing, analysis, and evaluation of the finished product to ensure its quality and compliance with regulatory requirements. Documentation. Process validation requires comprehensive documentation, including validation protocols, standard operating procedures, batch records, and process control documents. It focuses on capturing and analyzing process data to demonstrate control and consistency. Product validation involves documentation of the product specifications, testing methods, batch records, stability data, and any other relevant information. It emphasizes the evaluation of product attributes and performance. In summary, process validation primarily focuses on establishing and maintaining control over the manufacturing process, while product validation specifically assesses the final pharmaceutical product. Both validations are essential in ensuring the quality, safety, and efficacy of pharmaceutical products, albeit with different scopes and objectives. Like the video, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thanks for watching this video.